AWS Savings Plans, committing for discounts. In this lesson, we'll explore how AWS Savings Plans can help reduce cloud computing costs through commitment-based pricing. AWS Savings Plans are a flexible pricing model that offers significant cost savings. They work as a commitment model where you agree to spend a specific dollar amount per hour for either 1 or 3 years. In exchange for this commitment, you receive substantial discounts compared to standard on-demand pricing. The beauty of savings plans is that they apply automatically to eligible usage across your AWS account, making cost optimization effortless. AWS offers 2 types of savings plans. First is the Compute Savings Plan, which is the most flexible option. It applies to EC2, Fargate, and Lambda usage across any region, instance family, size, or operating system. Second is the EC2 Instance Savings Plan, where you commit to a specific instance family within a particular region. This plan remains flexible across instance size, operating system, and tenancy within that chosen family. Let's dive deeper into Compute Savings Plans. They offer up to 66% discount on your compute usage. These plans apply to EC2, Fargate, and Lambda services. The key advantage is their flexibility. They work across any region, instance family, size, and operating system. This makes them the most flexible option, ideal for dynamic workloads where your computing needs may change over time. EC2 Instance Savings Plans provide even higher discounts, up to 72% off EC2 usage. However, you commit to a specific instance family within a particular region. Despite this commitment, you still maintain flexibility across instance size, operating system, and tenancy options. This plan is best suited for stable, predictable EC2 workloads where you know which instance family you'll be using consistently. Savings plans offer 2 commitment term options. You can choose a 1-year term with a lower discount tier or a 3-year term that provides higher discount tiers. Additionally, AWS provides flexible payment options to suit different financial strategies. You can pay all upfront for maximum savings, partial upfront for a balance between upfront cost and savings, or no upfront with the entire commitment paid monthly. Understanding how savings plans work is straightforward. First, you commit to an hourly spend amount, for example, $10 per hour. Second, the plan applies automatically to your eligible usage up to your commitment amount, giving you the discounted rate. Third, any usage beyond your commitment level is simply billed at standard on-demand rates. This ensures you never lose access to resources while maximizing your savings. Savings plans deliver 4 key benefits: cost savings of up to 72% compared to on-demand pricing, flexibility to change instances without losing your discounts, automatic application to eligible usage requiring no manual intervention, and predictable budgeting with consistent hourly rates, making financial planning easier. These benefits make savings plans an essential tool for optimizing AWS costs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.